Here's a nice running 1937 Briggs Stratton Model H. I picked this up about a month ago at an auction. Haven't had time to mess with it until now. And I checked it. It had spark. It was full of oil. The oil looked pretty good, actually. And all I did was put gas in it. Now this thing's been sitting for a long time, but fired right up. And it seems to be almost like new. But it was on a mower, I'm sure, and it must not have been run much. And just like any old Briggs & Stratton, this one took less tinkering than most, but they always fire up.